mommy and kids video.
Go ahead, what are you doing?
I'm doing eyeshadow.
Okay, go ahead. You can use those things or these brushes.
It's okay if I pick two colors from here?
Yeah, but that's for lips. Let's wait to do lips.
Okay. Okay. I want this brush. I actually want really pretty white one.
Uh-huh.
And I'm going to start with different eye colors. And I'm also going to put the lipstick on my hand.
Oh, you're going to swatch?
Yes.
Okay. So what are you going to start? What color are you going to start with on your eyes?
Blue.
Okay. Pick some up.
And put it on my eye. So here's my blue eye. I'm going to put a little more on there.
Okay.
So here's my blue eye. Okay, now it's time for pink. What does blue and pink make?
I think they make a purple.
No, blue and red make purple.
Mm-hmm. So blue and pink would just make a different kind of purple.
And
That one's not very pigmented, is it?
yeah, let's do green.
Oh, green's a good choice. Here, what if I hold your makeup up for you? So you're not... Do you use your mirror, baby?
Can you see it?
A little bit. Hold on, let's get this...
So here's, I didn't have a very good job.
I think you did.
Okay, thanks, Mom.
Are you done with this?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to put any blush on your cheeks?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to pick up the big brush then?
My kid purple one.
Alright, now put it in the blush.
This.
Yeah. And put it on your cheeks.
This is awesome.
You want to put some highlight on? Do you want to use one of Mommy's? Here, hold on.
Highlighters.
Yeah. Alright, you gotta put a brush in it. It's like a big brush. Oh, okay. Alright, now you put this on top of your cheeks. Which villain is that?
Maleficent.
And what are you dressed as?
Maleficent.
Oh, it's like I thought this through. Alright. So what's next?
So,
Lippies?
Bobby, I want to go get something from Mom.
No, what are you looking to get?
That pink container.
No, you don't want mascara, baby.
I said he do.
I don't think you want mascara.
He said do.
No. Are you gonna put lipstick on? Lip gloss?
Yes. I'm going to pick two.
Okay.
Which one is it?
You pick whichever one.
Here's my first one.
Show them. Which one are you gonna pick?
It's Maleficent. And I'll pick Princess and the Frog.
Okay. Which one are you gonna start with? This one?
No.
Do you know how to open it?
Yeah, I think so. What is this?
It's lip gloss. Okay, now try to pull up. There you go. Oh, you want this mirror? Here. You ready for the other one? Are you doing more of that one?
Okay, done with it.
Okay.
It smells really good, so I had to do more. I did my whole lip as this.
Okay, you want that one now?
Yeah.
Okay. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Let's get your hair out of your way. Oh my goodness. Alright. Do you need anything else on your face? Come here, you've got
Yes, I
some.
do.
Stop moving.
Yes, I do.
What else?
I need something for my forehead.
You need something. Do you want some of.
Yes.
No. How about this one?
Ooh. What is it?
Alright, this is just powder. But you have to-
It's
it's the same thing, baby. You tap it out into the lid. That's all. Here, use this brush. Oh, oh boy. Okay. That's a whole lot of powder there, girlfriend.
So, do you have a boys and girls?
Is that it?
If you, we're going to do more of these videos. More.
Okay.
Every time every weekend.
Okay.
So, do you have a boys and girls who are watching our show?
Should we say bye?